Chapter 3 Concept of Windows. Lesson Objectives. Features of Windows 10. Arranging the desktop items. Windows taskbar. Sorting the icons. Selecting and deselecting icons. Changing the desktop background. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Mouse pointer shapes. Opening a program. Shut down a computer. Have you ever wondered how different household jobs at your home are done so smoothly? It is only possible because your parents manage all the work at home. In fact, they act like managers. A computer has different parts and does different kinds of works at a time. It also requires a manager. The manager in a computer is called the operating system, which can instruct all different parts of the computer. Operating system. It is a set of instructions. Those are loaded into main memory when we switch on the computer. This process is known as booting system. MS Windows. MS Windows is the most popular system software in the world. It is developed by a company named Microsoft Corporation USA. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. While booting is taking place, a picture of Windows flag displays on the monitor. MS Windows operating system is used by most of the people because it is easy to use. It provides graphical interface with the user. All programs are arranged in different files and folders. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. MS Windows has many versions such as Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.1. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is more attractive and having a complete set of new pictures, themes and icons. It includes the best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8. It has an improved search tool called Cortana. It has new Task View button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. Windows 10 provides a Windows Store application where we can get a lot of free apps, games and songs. Universal apps. Let us know the fact. William Bill H. Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Components of Windows 10. Icons. The small pictures or symbols having names on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. User can easily use these icons by click on it. Windows taskbar. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. There is a row of buttons and icons in the taskbar. It consists of Start button, Toolbar, Task Manager, System Tray area and Notification area. Start button. Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. On clicking Start button, a list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. We will also find Search option and can search any program. This menu contains many options like All Apps, Cortana Search Box, Power option and some other application programs. Selecting and deselecting icons. To get access into a particular program, we need to select the icon of that program and press the Enter button or double-click the icon. Selecting an icon. Press the mouse pointer on any icon. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon will be changed into blue. This means the icon is selected. Now we can move, copy or anything which we want to do with it. Deselecting an icon. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon will be changed into its original color. This means the icon is deselected and it will not move now. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icons. We can select multiple icons in the following way: adjacent, non-adjacent. Selecting adjacent icon. To select adjacent files or folders, left-click on the first icons to be selected, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last icon to be selected. Release Shift key and all the icons will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent icons. To select non-adjacent files or folders, hold down the Control key and click once on each of the icons to be selected. All the non-adjacent files or folders are selected. Opening a program. We can open a particular program in two ways. Click the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Which method is convenient to you can follow that one. Sorting or arranging a desktop icon. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence according to requirement of user. You may arrange the desktop icons by name, type, date, or size. Follow these steps to arrange the icons. Right-click a blank area on the desktop and then click Sort By. Click the command that indicates how you want to arrange the icons by name, size, item type, and date modified. If you want the icons to be automatically arranged, make a right-click on desktop, then click on View, Auto Arrange icon. Changing desktop background. It is more fun to choose what background you want on your desktop. If you are bored with any background of Windows 10, you may change this appearance. To do this, follow the steps to change the background of your desktop. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left of your screen right next to the search bar. Click on Settings, Personalization, Background. The background page will come up which allows you to preview or choose several photos for your desktop background. You can choose any of these. Click on the box underneath background to choose between a picture, solid color or slideshow for your background, and then you can apply. Click on one of the options or click Browse to choose one from your computer. Click on whatever photo you want and it will appear as your desktop background. If you don't like the layout of the photo, you can click on the box underneath, choose a fit to choose between Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile or Center options for your background. Changing the screensaver. An animation or image which replaces an unchanging computer display after a period of inactivity. To change the screensaver, do the following steps. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left of your screen right next to the search bar. Click on Settings, Personalization, Lock Screen. Scroll down the lock screen settings and click on Screensaver Settings in the right pane. Here you can adjust the settings according to your preferences. Let us know the fact. When a computer is switched on, Windows takes a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is known as booting. Windows 10 offers the following 6 screensavers: 3D text, blank, bubbles, Mystify, photos, and ribbons. If you want to add photo as a screensaver, select photo from the drop-down list of screensaver. Click on Setting, browse for the picture, OK. You may select slideshow speed according to your requirement, slow, medium, fast. Click on Save. Now Windows 10 will use the photos saved in the selected folder for screensaver. Shutting down a computer. Shutdown is term used to describe the process of closing all software programs in preparation to turn off a computer power. It prevents data corruption. To shut down a computer, perform the following steps. Click on the Start button. A Start menu will open. Click on the power button just above the start button. A pop-up with 3 options, sleep, shutdown, restart will come up. From the given options, select shutdown. If your file is not saved, then it will ask you to save the file first before shutdown. Key points. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. Windows 10 is the most recent version of Microsoft operating system. Each icon on desktop represents an application, program or document. To select an icon, simply left-click on it. The background of a desktop changes according to user choice.